Welcome. If you've ever encountered a conversation on X, formerly known as Twitter, that violates the platform's guidelines, knowing how to report it is essential for keeping your online space safe and respectful. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to report a conversation on X using your PC. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click on the Messages icon. This will take you straight to your direct messages, where all your private conversations are stored. Once you're in Messages, find the conversation you want to report. Simply hover your mouse over that conversation, and you'll see a three-dot icon appear. This is the More Options menu. Click on those three dots. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Report Conversation. This option is designed specifically for situations where you feel a conversation is abusive, spammy, or otherwise violates X's rules. After clicking Report Conversation, you'll be guided through several steps. The platform will ask you to select the specific issue you're experiencing, such as harassment, spam, or inappropriate content. Take your time to choose the most accurate reason, as this helps the review team better understand the situation. Depending on your selection, X may prompt you for additional details, or to highlight specific messages within the conversation. Providing as much context as possible will ensure your report is handled effectively. Once you've completed all the steps, submit your report. X will review the conversation and may follow up with recommendations or actions you can take to further protect your experience on the platform. That's all it takes to report a conversation on X using your PC. By taking these steps, you're helping to create a safer and more positive environment for everyone. Thanks for watching, and remember, your actions make a difference.